Malachi 3:6 declares, "For I, the Lord, do not change. Therefore you, O children of Jacob, are not consumed." In times of uncertainty, this verse reminds us that God's character remains constant. He is unwavering in love, mercy, and faithfulness. The original context speaks to God's patience with Israel despite their failings. Today, it assures us that no matter the storms we face, God's steadfastness is our anchor. Personally, I find comfort knowing that while circumstances shift, God's promises remain firm, inspiring resilience and hope in every season.